This is the time to explore technical considerations. As you can see already what all we have covered, if you're following the playlist, we are here under the financial consideration under strategy. And on the technical, we covered financial in the previous video. So this is the final consideration, which will help us to build the business case. Technical consideration. When you're making the shift to the cloud, there are technical considerations like how it will help improve how you manage and maintain your cloud and workloads. These considerations will help us discover the technical flexibility, efficiencies, capabilities that aren't possible with on-prem IT infrastructure, and help build a business case, because eventually we have to prepare the strategy and present it to the organization. So let's see a few technical benefits. Scalability, availability, security, and capacity optimization that we all know who are working in the cloud. For the sake of video, let's say scalability, or the ability to scale out your resources depending on usage, utilization, and demand is one of the main technical benefits of moving to the cloud. On-premises, it's more costly to build HA or highly available infrastructure. It's less costly to architect highly available infrastructure in the cloud, and you need not to go through the CapEx model as well. And you can choose the different regions, availability zones, you know the drill. And when it comes to security and compliance, Microsoft is continually expanding our security infrastructure and tool sets with all the modern technologies like ML and AI. Now, the core concept to consider is how elasticity and on-demand resources help you deploy, provision, or deprovision resources more dynamically. So with a shift to the cloud, it's important to think differently about how you will consume and manage your cloud resources. As you build your business case, it's critical to understand the key principles of cloud economics. When you plan short-term or long-term cloud solutions and align them to the business outcomes, you can achieve more with every dollar you invest. That's how technology will empower you there in the cloud if you use it the right way. That's why CAF. Anyways, I hope this makes sense about the technical consideration, as there are enormous options which could transform your workload. Well, the goal is to showcase the benefits and cost-saving measures of moving services to the cloud from on-premises plan. Because what you're going to do with all these, well, we are going to prepare the business strategy and going to show or share it to the organization. So you need to think about benefits from all perspectives, including technology and the business and the cost saving, everything, right? As of now, we have seen the strategy phase, which is the initial phase, and we need to think from motivation triggers right here, business outcomes, financial, technical, perspective, and come up with this strategy, right? And if you go to the Microsoft documentation, you'll find the template which you could utilize to prepare your strategy. But for now, let's see how this looks in the eyes of CTO, CIO, and CFO, because those are the people you need for the strategy. I'm here in the cloud adoption framework, right? See, and if you see, that's how things look as per the CTO and CFO views. For example, let's talk about the flexibility. We all know cloud enables dynamic relocation of IT resources, right? But how CFO sees it? It's flexible budgetary allocation. Let's see the resiliency. It's all about BCDR. But how CFO sees it? Lower required cash flow to support DR and backups. higher capacity of new technology adoption. If you think about agility, new technology adoption without new budgetary location because it is there. You need not to buy stuff or the hardware. Remember CapEx to OpEx? You can think about efficiency, more rapid services delivery to business units, more granular activity-based costing. So that's how your strategy defined, and you can go through this documentation. Of course, I couldn't cover each and every aspect of it, but we tried as much as we could and shared the MS documentation link in each and every video so that you can go ahead and read about it. But that's the gist of strategy phase under cloud adoption framework, and we'll start planning in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.